What is up guys, Fraser here. So in this video I'm really going to break it down. I'm going to tell you exactly how to succeed with affiliate marketing. Let's dive into it. So I've watched all the other videos regarding this topic, right? They all teach you that you need to drive targeted traffic, you need to have the right offer, you need to have the right product, right? They all teach you the same stuff, right? But in my opinion, that ain't what matters, right? The one thing that I feel that stops everybody from succeeding is everyone tries to reinvent the wheel. Everyone thinks you need to go and create their own products or create their own training or do something completely different to what the successful people are doing. Where in actual reality, you don't need to do that. The number one thing you need to do to succeed with affiliate marketing is to model success. Right? This is exactly what I've done. This is how I went from serving in the Royal Navy to now being traveling the world for 7 years, because that's exactly what I did. I found someone that had the lifestyle, that had the income, that had the results, that actually truly cared about helping people succeed. I got involved with what that person did, and I followed exactly what he told me to do, and here I am today. You know, been traveling the world for 7 years doing all that fancy stuff. But like all these other videos teach you, you need target traffic, you need systems, you need opportunities. You don't need to do that, right? I mean, yes, it is necessary, but you just don't reinvent the wheel. You just need to find someone that's going to teach you and help you on how to do this. You don't need to, you know, go out there and learn all these amazing ninja methods. You just need to find one thing that works. That's it. Right, you don't need to master paid traffic, you don't need to master free marketing, right? Just one simple thing that you know works. This is why it's important to work with the right people. That's why I've always said that over the years I've been doing this. Because all these businesses online, they all teach the same stuff, right? They all teach you how to make money online by leveraging their training, their products, their services. They all teach the same thing. You said they have different owners, they have different names, they got a certain way of, you know, teaching, and they rename their products a little bit different to everyone else, right? But they all teach the same stuff. But this is why it's important to work with the right people. You need to find someone that cares about helping you succeed. So what I did, like I say, I just found someone that had the lifestyle, that had the income, that had the results that I wanted. This particular person was traveling and he was earning over $50,000 a month, right? And I got involved with what he did, learned his marketing methods, because I seen him as someone who truly cared about helping me succeed, and he did. Because that's the other thing you need to watch out for. A lot of people online will say they really care about helping you, but they don't give a shit about you. All they care about is getting the dollars out of your wallet. Now, chances are, if you're watching this video, maybe you've experienced that before in the past. This is why it's important to do your research on people to join. Don't forget about the opportunity, right? Focus on finding a mentor, right? Forget all these other videos. You need target traffic, you need the right system, you need the right business, right? Forget all that. Find a mentor. Find someone who truly cares about helping you succeed, right? I would like to think I fall into that category, because like I say, I've helped a lot of people over the years, but I ain't going to force you into it because maybe you don't resonate with me, right? That is completely fine. Go and find someone in your niche, in your space, in your industry that you resonate with, that you feel can benefit you to help you succeed, and do what they do, right? Get access to their marketing methods. You don't need to master it, they've already mastered it. You just do it. That's it. Leverage other people. But that's all I've done. I've never gone out there. Yes, I have created a Facebook course, but that's it, right? Because I have mastered free marketing. I can teach you that. You don't need to master it. You just got to do it. I just teach you that stuff. You see where I'm going with this? It is simple to succeed online. Just don't reinvent the wheel. That's what everyone tries to teach you to do, especially these days in 2019. Everyone teaches you that stuff, but no one ever teaches you that you need a mentor that cares about helping you succeed. This is why you need to take your time. You're on finding someone. Find someone that you resonate with. Find someone who you feel and know will help you to succeed. Alright? So yeah, hopefully that made sense. Hopefully that came across like pretty direct, because I really wanted it to sink in, because all these other videos on this topic, not hating on these other YouTubers, because a lot of them, you know, are really good and make a lot of money, but they're not that fussed about helping people. For some of them, I definitely know that for a fact, because I know some of these guys who are ranking for this video. But like I say, not hating on them, but just putting my opinion out there. I just want to give it to you straight and tell you what you need to do, and that is it. You find a mentor, you do what they tell you to do, and if you're doing the same thing as them and they're getting results, you will get results. Because you can't do the right things on a consistent basis and accidentally achieve the wrong results. It doesn't work like that. So yeah, rant over. Hope you got some value. Hit that like button if you did like the video. Hit the dislike button if you didn't like it, but I prefer if you didn't do that because I like when people hit the like button. And hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed to me yet, and click that bell so you're notified of all future videos. And with that being said, I'm going to chill out and watch the end of Lord of the Rings. See you guys in the next one.